Welcome to Bird Park in Malaysia.
Look at this amazing fish in this water. Look at the varieties of fishes in this water. They are red, black and white in color. Look at the red fish and black fish mix.
Look at the beautiful peacock. This is really beautiful with long tail feathers known as crane. Do you know one thing? The male is a peacock with long tail feathers. The female is a peahen and the babies are pea chicks.
Look at the peacock feathers. It opened a lot. Like this. My first time seeing peacock feathers open. Wow! Wow! Look at the owls. Some are sleeping, some are lazy. They sleep in night time and no, they wake up in night time and they sleep in morning time. Look at this bird. It has a long beak, but I don't know what is it called. We are going to go to back of me. There's one more peacock over there. Look at the flamingos. Wow, they're so beautiful. Do you know one thing about flamingos? They're not born pink. They stand on one leg to save its energy.